Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be reviewing this holographic slime kit 1 through 10. So let's see how good it is. So let's start. Let's open it. This is what the kit comes with. I'm going to have to use my own bowl just because the slime kit did not have a bowl. So that is minus 2 points. The first step to do is to put in the glitter glue. I think this is enough. I have my scissors and let's add even more glitter. Whoa, beautiful. Now let's mix. Whoa, it's like a glitter bomb just exploded here. It looks really beautiful. Now I'm gonna make the activator. So I'm gonna add first this to the water. I think a little bit more. I think that's enough. So let's just mix now. This is the best part. This is the part when you actually get slime. So let me pour in some activator. Now it's time to knead it. At first it was not activating, so then I just added the whole activator. And now it's like super activated. This slime kit is not that bad, but it is overreactivated and I had to use my own bowl, so that is 5 out of 10. If you want to see more slime kit reviews, then click the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye!